but I'll do it to help her out.
Oh, sure.
I only threw 2 bags yesterday because
Don't know that they know.
I know they had no clue what it was, what they were. But yeah, we'll need a tarp for it, especially if it's going to rain.
Yeah, we might want to do something different.
Usually takes them a day or two. Yeah, there's a couple of them eating it.
Some of them are figuring it out. There's some. This one over here, he's still threatening. Yeah, I'll smell it. I'm not sure I like to eat it. I'll smell it though. He's got a anything bagel, so it probably has lots of smell to it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, these guys are more attuned to it than the other ones.
The Rams will go for it. They know what it is.
I don't know. I think that generation of Rams went away.
No. There's a few in there that's still sturgeon.
Yeah. You're right.
Bruno.
Hey, pig.
He's over here, my boys. Come here, Herman. Herman! What do you think, Bacardi? Did you have a baby? You didn't have a baby. Nobody had a baby. Okay, it's supposed to rain today and tomorrow and snow on Monday. Those will be good days to have lambs. Good morning, guys. Still no lambs. My husband says 15 of those ewes are gonna lamb. I would be happy with 3 of them having lambs at this point. Yeah, it's not looking good for the lambing group. They just keep getting fatter. So, I don't know. I guess we'll just keep waiting and seeing. But we want to get the bread tarped, get the cameras working, and oh, he bought some irises. So we want to get the rest of those planted. He finally got the irises we bought in like August planted the other day. I guess Wednesday maybe. And so got those planted, and then he bought some more yesterday. And so we need to get those planted today, hopefully before the rain. And then I think those are the only plans for today. It's supposed to rain today and tomorrow and snow on Monday, possibly. There's like a 30% chance of snow on Monday. So it probably won't actually happen. It'll just get cold. And then the forecast is supposed to be cloudy to sunny for the next 10 days. So the window is there for us to swat the hay. So he's letting the sheep out, and then we got to head for town because he forgot to get chicken feed last night, and we're completely out. Temperature has dropped. The rain is kind of starting to come, and we have spent most of the afternoon just cleaning up, getting all the twine picked up and thrown away or burned, getting as much of the, we got all the wool picked up. He took that out back to burn. He's hauling me hay now. Still no lambs. But yeah, we are slowly gaining. It's just as many of these little things that we can get taken care of. We're trying. All right, we'll go feed you in a minute. But we are just little things. Then we got to head to town. I still haven't gotten my chicken feed because he wanted to get some of these projects done before it rained and wanted to go to town in the rain, which I can't really blame him for. Hi, Herman. Are you content? You happy I brought some sheep back in here for you? Huh? Yeah. Oh, I know, huh? Yes. You're probably not hungry. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes, you got a lot of feed today, didn't you? Come on, you want to eat? You're a pig. Of course you're hungry. Come on. Come on, let's eat. Come on. Go get your grain. Yeah. Anybody give me a baby in the rain? Nothing. I know, you girls are holding out. You don't want pet suddenly. What's up with that? Oh, my husband's gonna be disappointed again. Well, since it is raining out and my husband he's been waiting for like 2 years to harvest his horseradish. So he did this year. And Now I need to find all my canning stuff because he wants to can the horseradish. And there's the big canner. Where are my... I need to find my stuff. So he's bringing in the horseradish. He's been watching videos. We need to get everything kind of like put together and hopefully not kill ourselves doing it. Oh, there it is. I knew I had it somewhere.
Probably should have done it in the big sink, but
Probably.
it's okay. Neat thing about any sink, they have water. Can you do me a favor though?
Mm-hmm.
Can you get me a stainless bowl?
So there's where we dug up, or he dug up, the horseradish we've been saving basically for the last 2 years. And there's still a ton of it in the ground that he didn't dig up. But I'm gonna grab the last 2 that he's got out here. He said there's some little tubers. Oh yeah, some little ones. So he's gonna leave these and put them back in the ground. Oh, maybe there is. I guess maybe we'll take these 3 and we'll leave those for the ground. I think my plan with some of these, maybe I'll take one of these for myself, make some fire cider this year.
Horseradish. Uh-oh. Ah, it's yummy.
You're so weird. Okay, this is the first time we've ever done horseradish, so.
But we watched a lot of YouTube.
No, we have not. He has watched a lot of YouTube videos. This is why he is the designated chef today.
That and the fact that you don't eat it.
I don't like horseradish, so
your mistake in life right there.
it's so he says,
It's
but
a cure for a common cold, man.
no, that's fire cider.
Well, this is one of the main ingredients.
It is. It is still raining pretty good out there.
It is.
Out here.
What are the chances of us ever getting our hay out this year?
Slim to possibly none.
Yep, I'm right there with you.
So we may have to invest in some electric fencing to
Section areas off. Otherwise, they'll ruin too much too fast.
Correct.
Can you get me a paring knife? Because I don't want to waste any good
Okay.
horseradish. You're going to need a bigger knife.
I don't have a bigger knife.
Yeah, there's only a couple of the roots for that big. Boy. You don't know what you're missing out on.
I'm quite happy missing out on it.
Oh no, this shit is so good. It's like, look at it. Got a cold? Now you don't. Fill it full.
Sure.
See it ish.
Okay, well, there is a deal that says don't go above this line.
Where? Where does it say that?
Well, it probably doesn't anymore since it's
Okay.
pretty old.
It doesn't say that. So we'll pretend like it does, just to make you feel better. Put this on. Now remember, if this like
blows up on you, you
Fumes
put it past
you
the
out.
fill line.
it's your own fault. What was that for? Oh, that's for the thing. So it doesn't. It says not to put the vinegar in for a while, or it doesn't stay hot. That's what it says. Oh, and it also says to put water in, but we don't want water yet. We want the. This is our control, correct? Let's try it. Woo!
watching him, but I could potentially stab myself over here.
I got an idea. Turn it upside down. Would that make the big pieces go the other? No, that'd put the choppers in the air, wouldn't it? It's like a helicopter now. Yeah, I don't see very many big pieces. Oops. So it says if you put too much water in, you just press it back out later.
Oops. I do know.
What did I do with it? Did I throw mine away? The wiper?
I don't know. Did I throw it away?
Man, would you quit doing that?
Well, quit
Run out
leaving
of paper towels.
Quit leaving it in my workspace.
I'm not putting it over here where we're filling the bottles up. That's why it's there. So we can wipe the bottles.
Yeah, this is a lot more runny than the last batch.
Yeah, I don't think you filled yours quite as big.
May not
Whoops.
have. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Horseradish.
Oh.
It's one of my favorites.
Oh my gosh, it like burns.
No, it takes out the germs in you. That one's the other one.
I'm going to tell you right now.
But it's awesome!
My eyes are running so bad. Things I do for my husband. Not even sure they're good things.
Oh yeah, remember, you bought it. You brought it home, you planted it.
Okay, because you asked me to.
Well, I did. I probably shouldn't set those. They'll be all right, won't they?
Yeah, they'll be fine.
Okay, so each one of these need squishy, squishy.
Squishy, squishy. Oh my God, my eyes.
Pretty sure the biggest problem that we're having here is the fact that we're not outside.
It doesn't get me when we're grinding it. But putting it in the jars is kicking my butt.
It's fuming. It's fuming.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die.
This stuff is awesome for you.
Oh.
It's awesome for me.